In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your BMO Harris Online Banking password. We'll keep this simple and secure, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way so you can avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for BMO Harris Bank. This helps you quickly locate the official site. Before you click anything, double check that you're heading to the legitimate BMO digital banking login page. Look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and make sure the web address begins with HTTPS. On the sign-in page for BMO Digital Banking, you'll see the usual fields for logging in. Right beneath or near those fields, find and select the link labeled Forgot Password. This is the gateway to recovering access without having to call in or guess multiple times. You'll be taken to a reset screen where you'll first enter your user ID. Type it carefully, exactly the way you originally set it up. If you're unsure of capitalization or spacing, follow the hints provided on the page and avoid extra spaces before or after the text. Next, you'll be asked to verify your identity. You can choose to use either your social security number or your taxpayer identification number. Select the option that applies to you by clicking the small circle next to your choice. Take a second to confirm you picked the correct one, since the input field that follows is based on this selection. Now enter the number that corresponds to the option you chose. Be mindful of the requested format. If the page indicates that dashes or spaces are not required, leave them out. If it specifies a particular format, follow it exactly. Enter the full number carefully and review it once more to make sure there are no typos. When everything looks correct, click Continue. From here, the site will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts to confirm your identity and complete the reset. The exact steps can vary, but simply follow what appears on the page. If at any point something doesn't look right, stop and verify the web address again to ensure you're still on BMO's official site. A quick tip before you finish: consider using a secure private network and an up-to-date browser during this process. And once your password is reset, choose a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else and store it in a reputable password manager. That's it. You've started the BMO Harris password reset the safe and correct way. Follow the prompts after continue, and you'll be back into your account in no time.